Let's look at another questions. Okay, the table here show envelope. We have 3 type envelope: white color, red color, and green envelope. Inside you have $1 notes and you have $5 notes. Now here mean how many pieces. Okay, how many pieces of $1? How many pieces of $1 for in the red? How many pieces of $1 in the green envelope? Now here the other side it said $5 notes. What does it mean? How many? This show the number of notes, $5 notes in the white envelope, the numbers of notes in the red envelope. And this is amount here mean total amount in dollar. So $19. And this is $53. So remember, amount mean dollar here. Here, notes mean pieces. Okay, 3 pieces of $5 notes. 7 pieces of $5 notes. Here will be 4 pieces of $1 notes. Here will be 5 pieces of $1 notes. Okay, let us look at this. When you have 4 pieces of $1 note, how much would you get? Right? Since we want amount, so we're going to work out the amount. Okay, so you can either say 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, or you can just say 4 times 1 is equal to $4. Okay, how about here in the white envelope? How many $5 notes you have? 3. How much would it be in total? So again, 3 pieces of $5 notes. So you got 3 times 5 is equal to $15. Okay, let's check. Is it correct? We are talking amount, so we're talking about dollar. $15 plus $4, does it give you $19? Yes. So this is correct. So we start with the white envelope. We understand what it means. So now let us solve the red envelope. So again, we do the same thing. There are 5 pieces of $1 notes, so it's equal to $5. There are 7 pieces of $5 notes, so it's equal to 35. So you want to find the total, isn't it? You want to find the total, so it means you need to find 35 plus $5. So the total sum is $40. Okay, now, how about green? How do we solve for green? Okay, do the same thing. You got 8 pieces of $1 notes. That means 8 times 1 is $8. Now, this is a tricky part. How would you find how many pieces of $5 notes? We don't know. But we do know that the sum of this amount plus $8 give you 53. So we're going to use this information here to work out how many pieces of $5 notes. Okay. How do we do it? We are going to use 58 minus maybe $53, sorry, $53, take away $8. So left you $48. See, left you $48. Now with this information, okay, with this information we put it here, we're going to find out what times 5 give you 45. What times 5 give you 45? So the answer is 9 pieces of $5 notes is 45. So you know that there are 9 pieces of $5 notes. So this is how you solve this 2019 paper.